Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I am happy to have you here. We are going to be talking about the latest news today. So the latest EV news out there. But before we get down into this and talk about this, if you can please give me that big thumbs up, the big like button. It'll share my videos around YouTube. It'll help with the algorithm. If you are new to the channel, I would like to welcome you to the community. Hit that subscribe button down below. Join the community. We would love to have you here. We talk a lot of, a lot of EV stock news, and we are very positive on this. So if you would like to get all my videos right whenever I download them, hit that notification bell, hit all. You can get all the videos I put out there for you. But let's get down and talk about the EV stock news out there. So we'll start off with Lucid Motors. Lucid Motors has had a very big run up in its stock last week. We are starting to see that cool down period, that cool off period for the stock. It is trading around $35 right now per share of stock. I do think that a lot of investors were taking profits. We did hit a high of about $40 at one point in time in this stock, but definitely we still have a lot of volatility going on. This is a very new startup company. They did deliver, I believe it was over 20 of their Lucid Air Dream vehicles just in that opening debut that one day on October 30th was great public news for the vehicle, for the company. I do think that its stock is primed to do very, very good. Remember, this is still a brand new EV startup company, but they have very, very good technology. I have, been researching, reviewing Lucid Motors as a company. They currently are the only ones out there that can compete head-to-head with Tesla Motors company. So they do have that battery range. They actually have the longest battery range. They beat out the Tesla Model S with having the longest battery life of any electric vehicle out there in the world. They also have that technology, the Dream Drive, which is its autonomous driving. There are some YouTubers out there that are really not too fond of Lucid Motors, but that's okay because I think only time will tell. So Lucid right now, the biggest two things that it has going for itself that it needs to happen is, number one, it needs to brand itself. I do think it will take about 6 months, in my opinion, for this company to brand itself as a very good company. I do think that with word of mouth, with vehicles being delivered to customers, will definitely help with this. Once we start hearing that the technology, the luxury is out there, I do definitely think that people will start, viewing this company as a really good company. I do think that it is the Ferrari of the EV market, but because it does have that speed, 0 to 60, 2.5 seconds, over 1,000 horsepower, amazing vehicle. But looking at its stock, it has had some cool down. It's had a high of past $40 at one point, but people are starting to take profits. It is starting to cool down. I have not sold any shares of my Lucid stock. I will continue to hold long term, as I have been mentioning. Now, I will keep you updated as what is a good buy-in point. I do definitely think that the dust needs to settle on Lucid Motors to see where we find our base and to get a new buy-in point. But don't have fear of missing out. Don't have FOMO. Don't buy unless you please do your own due diligence and you're going to hold it for long term. Everybody's situation is different. I did want to now transition into Rivian. Rivian is an electric EV startup company that makes trucks. It has a very big backing by Amazon. Amazon has 20% stake, or owns 20% of stocks of Rivian. Rivian has not come out in the stock market yet. A lot of people are asking me, but they will have its IPO initial public offering in the next few weeks. I do suspect in the next 2 weeks, but I will definitely keep you updated. Rivian has not given an exact date yet. There is a lot of speculation of what the stock price will be when it comes out. There is speculation that the price of the stock will be running possibly around $58 to $62 whenever it does open. I do suspect at the very beginning this stock will pop. I do think, in my own opinion, that the stock will be a lot higher than that. Now, where I will be putting in my position, I'm still waiting. I might wait until the dust cools off Normally, historically, what happens when stocks open the IPO, normally they run up the first few days, first few 1-2 weeks, and then we have a cool-off period. We'll definitely have to see, but I'll keep you updated with my videos as I do find out. But they are the startup EV company. They are the first to make trucks out there. They beat out the Tesla Cybertruck. They beat out the Ford Lightning pickup truck and General Motors Hummer to becoming the first electric truck out there on the market. They have already started delivering their vehicles. They have a very big demand. Rivian has a very big demand of their vehicles. They have over 48,000 of their trucks and SUVs already reserved for, which is incredible. They just need to mass produce. They have their Illinois factory. They are producing about 1 to 2 trucks or SUVs per day. So they are starting just to slowly roll out. But in my opinion, I think that they are going to be doing great. So far, all the reviews of the pickup truck have been amazing, have been great. So I definitely suspect that this will continue. They do have that backing of Amazon. Amazon has ordered 100,000 of its electric delivery vans. They will be getting about 10,000 of these vans next year. In the year 2022, they will get about 10,000 of these delivery vans to Amazon. So again, this is definitely a brand new company. But is its valuation really worth what it is? So Rivian as a company is seeking $80 billion as its valuation. Right now, from what I've been reading, they are able to get possibly about $58 to $60 billion, but we'll definitely have to see. And that price, a stock price of $58 to $62 does look at that valuation if it is about $60 billion. If it is a little bit higher than that, the stock price could be a little bit higher. Now, is it worth that? That's the biggest question out there, in my opinion, but we'll definitely have to see. Another big mover that I did want to talk about is GGPI, Polestar. Polestar has not had a lot of trading volume out there. It is pretty much a company that has kind of flown under the radar. In my opinion, I do think that this is a good company long-term as well. Polestar is a Swedish-based company. It is derived from Volvo. And as you know, Volvo makes a very great product. I do think that they have a lot of experience with making this vehicle. They have been making the Polestar 2, which is its all-electric vehicle, for over a year now, and it is selling internationally. It is selling in the United States and Europe. It is one of the #1 selling electric vehicles in Europe at the time, and also it will be selling in the Asian markets in China. So I definitely think that it will be a great company moving forward, but also it is a very new startup company. But its stock, looking at its stock price, it is about right under that $11 as the time of this recording. I do think that its valuation will be about $20 billion, which is more than half of that of Lucid Motors. It is about a third or a fourth of what Rivian will be. It already has a vehicle out there. It will be making the Polestar 3 in North Carolina, which will be its SUV this year, actually in the year 2023. So a lot of big potential moving up for Rivian for Polestar, as a company. But definitely keep it on your radar, keep it on your watch list. But I hope you like the latest news. But please, do your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other stocks that I talked about, as I am not your financial advisor. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up, the like button. It'll be shared. My video will be shared around the YouTube, and it'll help my algorithm. I'll welcome you to the channel. Please subscribe, join the community. We would love to have you. Hit that notification bell, hit all to get all the videos I have out there. And don't forget to take advantage of the links down below to get free stocks. I have partnered up with Moomoo just for opening an account using my link down below. You put in, $0, you get a free share of stock valued anywhere from $3 to $350 if you open an account using my link down below. If you deposit $100 into Moomoo, you will get free stocks. They were giving out Lucid just a few weeks ago, Lucid share stocks. So definitely take your chance, take that advantage, I would say, down below. Also, I have a link to Webull, Robinhood, Coinbase, so you can use those links to get free shares of stock as well. But thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one, and have a great day. Thank you.